Hi everybody, I'm Bonnie Barker with BonnieBabeCrochet.com, and today I am really excited to share with you one of my favorite designs. This is called the Orlaith Robe Sweater. This is a nice, heavy, long sweater, and it is crocheted cables, and it features the 4-post cables, which is one of the more basic styles of cabling, as well as the wheat cable. It features that on the front and on the back. This sweater is sized from extra small to 2X, and let me show you what you're going to need. For this project, I used the Cascade yarns, Aran Superwash 220. This is 100% wool, and all the information for the yarn requirements are included in the pattern, and I will show you that in just a second. And if you don't want to make a wool sweater, I know some of you are allergic to that, or maybe you just want a lower cost option, I'm also recommending the paint box Simply Aran, which I think would be an excellent substitution. Of course, you're always free to substitute your favorite yarns for this project. It does require worsted weight yarn. However, I am kind of encouraging you to not use cotton, because even with wool, which is the lighter weight material, this has substantial weight to it already. So if you add cotton to that, it's going to be much heavier, and it's going to be very stretchy and stretch itself out way too fast. So I would encourage you to stick with either an acrylic or a wool acrylic blend for the best results. The pattern for this project is only available currently in the Celtic Cable Crochet book. This is available from Amazon, Walmart.com, Barnes & Noble, and many other in-store and online retail outlets. So go ahead and check that out if you want to try to get a copy. I highly recommend that if you decide to participate in this crochet along, that you have a copy of the pattern, because there are countless numbers involved, as you can imagine, with 7 different sizes. So I do not mention all the numbers. I crochet actually the size small. And just to let you know, there is a lot of ease built into this fabric. So you're going to probably want to be very careful about your gauge. And you're going to also want to do one more thing for me. When this project went to print, it had some issues. And I have worked tirelessly to try to correct any of those issues so that you can crochet these projects with ease. Okay, if you go to my link that's in the video description below, you can print off a copy of the errata for Celtic Cable Crochet. Errata is another word for errors in print. Okay, so if you go ahead and print this off, I also have included in that all the corrections needed for all the schematics for all the sizes. If you study these schematics, you can actually help determine what would be the best size for you. And I do want to encourage you, as far as the sizing goes, is you want to stay towards the smaller size rather than the larger size if you're wondering whether to go up a size or not. There is a lot of ease, which is stretchability, built into the fabric. So you'd almost be better with the smaller size rather than a larger size if you have any doubt as to what you need to do for that. So what do you need to do? Well, first of all, you need to get a copy of the pattern. Secondly, once you decide what size you're going to do by looking at the schematics, print it out from the errata listing, then you need to decide what kind of yarn you want and how much. I'm actually going to put the yard requirements right below in the video description below, and I'll also have links for these particular yarns in case you're interested. Well, that's all for now. Looking forward to seeing you all August 3rd. God bless. Bye-bye.